A long strip map issued mid-19th century, 1868. It's lithographed with original full-hand color. It's printed on a thin bond paper, almost like an India paper. It's got the typical sort of wrinkles from having been folded up for over 100 years. It's very detailed. All this color, hand color, is totally original. Very detailed plan here of Central Park, for instance, with the footpaths, the old reservoir, the new reservoir, and as we come up to Manhattanville and further, we see the deaf and dumb institution, a juvenile asylum, etc. There's even house placements and so on, and property line names of owners here. And when we flip this long map over on the reverse, we see a very well done thin bond paper repair along this top edge to sort of flatten out this little bit of wrinkle and browning here. Otherwise, the map remains very well preserved. Just the wrinkling. This is some sort of an original attachment sheet tab down here at the bottom of the map. And when we flip it over like so, we see this map, which is now currently available online from me, Brian DeMambro.